Go to Open Dental and click on PX button. Now click the Appointment tab and select Date Range. You can select the provider from the list. Here I'm selecting for my provider. Hit Search button. List of all the patients with the status of appointments will appear. You can see the count as well. Hit Select All to select all the patients and Unselect All to unselect all the patients. Now select a patient. You can select Email HTML, email address from the list, and template. Click to preview. You can alter the content of the email as well. Here I am selecting SMS template. Click on Verify Insurance to complete the insurance verification. You can see the completion message at the bottom. Now, let's edit the content of the SMS. Hit Send Confirmation. A pop-up will appear showing the details of recipient and the SMS content. Click on OK. SMS has been sent to the patient message will appear at the bottom. Thanks for watching.